I'm doing some batch cooking today, and right now I am making some overnight omega porridge. So I've got my jars set up. I'm going to make 4 of them. So what I will do is put about a 1/4 cup of oats in to begin with. And you can use old-fashioned oats or you can use the steel-cut oats, either one. And then I'm going to put in a tablespoon of chia seeds and a tablespoon of flax seeds. Now, I'm not grinding the flax seeds, but you could do that as an option as well. Then I'm going to put a few little shakes of cinnamon and a little splash of vanilla. And I'm just going to I did the other 3 here right before I started filming. Okay, and then from there, I'm just going to add about a 1/2 cup of water, and it's going to be hot water. Just that 1/2 cup, that's going to start to help the seeds to expand and sort of pseudo-cook the oats just a bit. So I will give that a stir. And let it soak for just a minute while I get some of my other ingredients out. Okay, then I'm going to pour some hemp milk in. And give it a stir. Okay. I've already done that to the other 3 here. Right, then if I want to sweeten it up, I could use a little honey, and that's what I'm going to do for the 2 that I'm making for me. Just put a little dab in to sweeten it up. And then for my husband's 2, I'm going to use these liquid stevia drops, just because he does a little lower carb than I do. So I'll put a few drops in. And then for all of them, I'm going to put some nuts. I'm going to use walnuts today, but you could use any kind of nut that you like. And then add some blueberries. So just shake some blueberries in. Once again, stir it all up. Make sure it's the consistency that I like. If it's a little too thick, I could add a little more hemp milk at this point, but I think they all feel pretty good. So then I'm just going to top the rest of the jars off with more blueberries. And I use frozen blueberries. You could use any berry that you like. It all works fine. So I will put lids on these, put them all in the refrigerator, and we each have 2 days worth of some overnight omega porridge ready to go by morning.